Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got a couple products right here that's all the same brand, and the brand is called GearTOP. So pretty much what these are fishing hats, safari hats. Pretty much these are really nice hats that you guys can wear to go for any kind of situation to protect you from the sun and whatnot. So let me actually unbox one at a time to show you guys what each one looks like and put it on. So basically when you open it up, this is what it looks like. If you guys can see, very nice little hat design. So all of them are pretty much the same thing, where it has a little strap in the back of the hat right here to make it tighter on the head part. There's a little logo right there to show you guys the logo. There's a button on each side right here, and this side right here, and right there. And I'll show you guys how to use that in a second, but let me just put this on to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so when you guys put it on, this is what it kind of looks like. If you guys put this part up like this on a strap, you guys can make it tighter. So that way you guys can make sure that it won't fly away when you're using it outdoor that's really windy or something. So this is what it looks like. And the back part, you guys want to tighten up, you guys can tighten it up right here using this part. For me it's fine right now, so I don't need to tighten it up. So the button parts that I was talking about is all you have to do is like this. Make sure the edges all fold up like that, and then just push this part like onto the button right here. Make sure it clicks. Once it clicks on that side, click the other one as well. So once both sides clicks on, this is what it looks like. So pretty much once it clips on, it kind of give you that like cowboy design. If you guys can see like a western design like that, if you guys want to use that design, or if you guys don't like design, just unbuckle it and use the regular one that it's meant for. So just like that, which is pretty cool. So this one gets like a better protection overall for your head and for your face. So it depends on which one you guys want to use, but you guys get that option to use either one if you guys want to on this hat. And then the material on this hat is quite nice, really nice kind of material on this, where it dries really fast. And then if you guys look right here on the top part, all of the hats are the same, where it has this like breathable mesh material, so that way you can get air on your head so it's not like too sweaty or whatnot. So that's the first color option. Let me show you the other three color options. Alright, so this is the second color. So the first one was beige. This is army green color. You guys can see, this is what it looks like. Everything's the same with the little straps, the strap in the back. You guys can put this art part up if you guys want to. So they're all pretty much the same brand, GearTOP. This is the second color. Now I'm gonna show you guys the third color. Alright, so this is the third color, black camouflage. If you guys want to get this option right here, everything's the same as well. The strap right here, strap right in the back. Tighten this part up if you guys want to make the little cowboy hat. Now let me show you guys the last and final color. Alright, so this is the last and final color, khaki. You guys can see strap right here is the same. Strap right here is also the same. You guys can also make the cowboy hat style if you guys want to on this one as well. So this is what it looks like when you guys clip it on and everything. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty much all the hats that comes in this package. If you guys can see, all right here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 different color options depending on which one you guys want. But now that I show you guys all the different color options and what is on here, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it for around $13 to $14 for all these hats. So in my opinion, I have to say that all these hats are actually really worth it, regardless of which color you guys get, because it's really useful if you guys are going to somewhere that's really hot and sunny, like maybe like Singapore, or if you guys going to like picking fruits or something. It's really sunny and really tiring, especially when the sun is shining directly at you. And then the fact of having one of these hats is really nice, not just for sun protection, but it's also good for protecting you from flies and stuff. So if you guys have this part covered up into like the hat itself, like this or something, then you guys won't have to worry about any like bees or flies going into your ear or going around your ear. Because sometimes when I go fruit picking or whatever with my family and stuff, there's always like flies or bees or something flying around my ear, and it kind of like annoys me. Especially since last time I went to New York City, I got stung by a bee in Brooklyn. That was one of the most horrifying thing that's ever happened to me, because I didn't do anything to the bee and it stung me. And getting one of these would probably help me, so that way I don't have to worry about like any bees flying around and just kind of paranoiding me and whatnot. But essentially this product is really worth it and really nice. If you guys need one of these, or you guys think you need one of these, definitely get one of these because it's so helpful. Sun protection is definitely really nice, and the fact that it has this breathable material on here is actually pretty cool as well. But obviously if you guys don't need this or don't want this, then obviously don't buy it and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about these products. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have